Welcome back on Spices and More, everyone. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today I got for you yet another interesting recipe, and this is raw papaya salad. Easy to prepare, healthy as well as nutritious. This is excellent during this hot scorching summer season as well as for the people who are on their weight loss journey. So let's begin with the recipe and see the ingredients. To start with, I'm roasting some peanuts, and once the peanuts are roasted, remove out the skin. So in a mixer grinder, I'll be adding 1/3 cup of roasted peanuts. In goes 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce. Of course, you can increase or decrease as per your preferences. Next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of peri peri sauce. This is slightly hot, so adjust accordingly. And in goes half cup of yogurt. Now add salt as per taste and grind it until well combined. Now you can see the sauce is ready. Just taste it and adjust the salt if needed. Now let's start with the salad. For that, I have taken a bowl with the chilled water. I added some ice cube as you can see, and next I'll be peeling off the raw papaya. I'm taking half of the raw papaya and I'll peel off the skin. Now start cutting it into juliennes. As you can see, I have the julienne peeler. If you don't have, then you can just make the pieces and start cutting it thinly into the juliennes. Add it into the chilled water to keep it crisp. And now I have taken 1 carrot. I will be peeling off the skin and then cut it into the juliennes. If you don't have the julienne peeler, then you can just cut it thinly. That will also do. Add it into the chilled water. Adding the vegetables in the chilled water keeps it crispy. Next, I have taken the semi-raw mango. Again, peel off the skin and cut this as well into the julienne, but don't add into the water. By semi-raw mango, I mean this is slightly sweet as well as tangy. And this is the unique combination of these veggies, but it tastes heavenly. And now let's assemble the salad. I've discarded the chilled water. In it, I'll be adding the semi-raw mango which I've cut it thinly. Now add some peanuts. It's looking so tempting. Adding peanuts will give it nice crunch, and then I will top it with the sauce that we prepared earlier. Give it a mix and our salad is ready. If you want, you can squeeze in half of the lemon as well, but since the yogurt which I used is little sour, I avoided using the lemon. Isn't it looking very delicious? And lastly, I'll garnish it with the sesame seeds. I've roasted it and then I added it into the salad. And this makes it more healthy and more tasty. And a healthy raw papaya salad is ready to be served. This is very quick recipe. You can prepare it easily, and as you saw, we require very minimal ingredients. I hope you like today's recipe. If so, then please hit that like button. Share this recipe with your loved ones. Please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed so far. See you in my next interesting videos. Thank you for your valuable time and thanks for watching.